Ready for a culinary adventure that's delicious? We're about to embark on a taste journey right into the heart of Italian cuisine. Picture this: 4 large portobello mushrooms, 6 to 8 juicy cherry tomatoes, a generous cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, and a sprinkle of freshly chopped basil. Now that's an ensemble that knows how to sizzle. These vibrant ingredients are the stars of our stuffed portobello caps recipe. With these ingredients, we're about to make your taste buds dance. Preheat that oven to a blazing 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 Celsius. It's about to get sassy. We're beginning our culinary journey with the star of our show, the portobello caps. Grab your brush and gently caress each cap with a dash of olive oil, giving them a glamorous glow that's ready for the spotlight. Now let's turn our attention to the supporting cast. In a mixing bowl, we're creating a tantalizing dance floor for our cherry tomatoes. Halve them and dress them in a blend of olive oil, a hint of salt, a dash of pepper, and a sprinkle of freshly chopped basil. Let them mingle and groove to the rhythm of the flavors as they set the stage for the delicious drama about to unfold. Cooking is not just about the process, it's about the fun and the sassiness that comes along with it. And with that, the stage is set for greatness. Let's move to the next step. And now for the drama, the cheese meltdown extravaganza. Picture this: a generous layer of shredded mozzarella cheese nestled like a soft white blanket in the bottom of each portobello cap. Now imagine spooning on the tomato mixture. Each tomato, a shining star dressed in olive oil, salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of basil, ready for its grand entrance. The stage is set, the actors in their places. The air is thick with anticipation and the tantalizing aroma of soon-to-be melted cheese. It's a symphony of flavors, a celebration of Italian culinary flair. This is the moment we've been waiting for. Into the oven they go. Let the magic happen. Serve these stuffed portobello caps hot and watch your audience be wowed. Each bite is a tantalizing dance of flavors, a culinary journey straight to the heart of Italy. With the earthy portobello, the tangy tomatoes, and the ooey gooey mozzarella, it's like a symphony playing on your palate. And now it's your turn to step into the spotlight. We want to see your sassy spin on this recipe. Share your stuffed portobello creations with us using the hashtag #PhoebeChefMagic. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and ring that notification bell to never miss out on a recipe. Until next time, keep the sassiness alive in your kitchen.